We have liftoff.
Don Kinch from Bramalea, Ontario, flying Jack C's SR-71 Blackbird. It's 104 inches long, 55 inches wide, 1/12 scale, and weighs 21 pounds. It's powered by two OS-77 engines and Tom Cook Dynamax fans. The SR-71 uses a multiplex radio. A unique feature is that it can give you elevator and elevons. Most deltas and double deltas fly as elevons. The SR-71 is so long and has such a large lifting moment of the nose to the tail that you need the extra leverage gained by having the full trailing edge surface act as an elevator. There are 4 independent servos controlling the 4 surfaces across the back, left to right, aileron, elevator, elevator, aileron. Therefore, whenever you give up elevator, the full tail surface raises up. Give it left, just the left side of the aileron, the tip will go up. So you have elevons on the tips and elevators in the middle. That function of mixing is unique to the multiplex radio. This SR-71 is one of several prototypes currently being flown. Jack calls it, quote, a very high mortality rate type of airplane, unquote. Byron flew one at the 1984 Southwest Fan Fly in Seguin, Texas, but does not offer it as a kit.
Considering its size and weight factor. The SR-71 weighs 20 pounds. It's 105 inches long with a 55-inch wingspan. The SR-71 also is powered by Dynamax fan units driven by OS-77s. We're just checking, folks, to see the SR is coming through, gear down. It does a fairly fast landing approach. Don got it down in a gust of wind.